So right at the beginning, we are very much interested to find out what is Microsoft Teams. Well, as you know, almost overnight, actually video conferencing has become a big part of our daily life and work. The reason for that is because everyone around the world has started actually to work, learn, and connect with colleagues, with friends and family through the power of the technology. And that way is actually from the kitchen tables to the living room couches and from home offices, doubling as the homeschools. People are actually relying to the Microsoft Teams to work and learn. From this, we can actually come to a definition always by respecting actually what is Microsoft saying, that the Microsoft Teams is actually a unified communication and collaboration platform, which is combining persistent workplace chat, video meetings, file storage, including collaboration on files, and application integration. Actually, Microsoft Teams is becoming a very integrated part of our daily life, especially in these circumstances when, because of this pandemic, that people are actually in the home environments, benefiting from the technology such as Microsoft Teams and others, obviously, and not necessarily only this one, in order to perform the work and also be engaged in the daily work and daily routines. Okay, moving forward. Some sort of the Teams timeline, which is Teams, we're actually referring to the Microsoft Teams. Okay, it all started when Microsoft had considered acquiring the Slack. Maybe you are aware of this particular information. Okay, however, Microsoft did not went on to acquire the Slack. Okay, although it bid it actually around 8 billion for such actually acquisition, but instead Microsoft went on to improve the Sky for Business. And then the result of such work was actually the launching of the Microsoft Teams, which happened in November 2nd, 2016. And then the information from the Microsoft website is telling us that in May 2017, Microsoft announced Microsoft Teams would replace actually the Microsoft Classroom, the Office 365 education. And then at the Microsoft's annual Ignite conference in September 2017, Microsoft confirmed that the Sky for Business is actually going to be Microsoft Teams. Then move on in July 2018 when Microsoft announced a free version. Okay, pay attention, free version. This is actually what the majority of us is actually benefiting from this free version. Okay, although there's some plans and pricing with some other format of the Microsoft Teams being actually provided or offering. And then in July 2018, as we were saying, Microsoft has announced a free version of the Microsoft Teams, offering most of the platform's communication options without no charge, but obviously with some limitation in terms of the numbers of users that can use this particular app, and also like the file storage actually capacity that is available to be used in such particular version. And then in March of this year, 2020, Microsoft Teams had hit 44 million daily users, which is an amazing number of users that are actually using this particular app.